Hi food lovers, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to make the topping or hallelujah for Jamaican puddings such as cornmeal and sweet potato puddings. First, you add quarter cup of coconut milk to a saucepan on medium heat and add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Then add 1 tablespoon each of mixed spice, nutmeg, and cinnamon or any other spice you like. Mix everything together until it thickens for about 10 minutes or so. You can add grated coconut trash if you like. How to use the hallelujah. 5 minutes before your pudding is finished baking, pour your topping or hallelujah on top. Put back your pudding into the oven and finish baking. Thank you for joining me on this culinary adventure today. Remember to hit that like button, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you will never miss a recipe from Taste of Jamaica. And as we say in Jamaica, one love.